Most people think the next big wealth opportunity will be loud. Headlines, hype, everyone talking about it. But the biggest AI wealth shift happening right now is quiet. And because it's quiet, most people will completely miss it. There's a fundamental shift happening right now. A quiet revolution that's redefining the very nature of work and wealth. And if you don't understand what's changing, you risk being left on the wrong side of a great divide. You'll find yourself on a treadmill, running faster and faster just to stay in the same place. You'll keep working harder, pouring in more hours, more sweat, more of your life, while a select few seem to be achieving more with less effort. They aren't just working, they're compounding. They're earning smarter. This isn't about some far-off future. This is about the next 12 months. The gap between those who get it and those who don't is widening every single day. So let me explain exactly what's happening, why the old playbook is now obsolete, and what you must do next to position yourself for this new era of leverage. For generations, we've been taught a simple linear equation for success. We've been told that wealth comes from a predictable set of inputs, working harder than the next person, getting more degrees, more certifications, stacking credentials as a shield, hustling longer hours, being the first one in and the last one out. The rise and grind philosophy. This was the industrial and early information age model. Your output was directly tied to your personal effort and time. More time in, more value out. It was a fair deal, but that deal has expired. AI and automated systems are changing the rules of the game. Not in the distant future, but right now, today. They've introduced a new non-linear variable into the equation. I have a friend, a writer named Nadine. For years, she was the definition of hustle. She wrote articles, managed social media, and did freelance consulting, juggling a dozen clients just to make ends meet. She was brilliant, but she was burning out. Her income was capped by the number of hours she could physically work. Then she stopped. She took a month off not to rest, but to build a system. She used AI to analyze market trends and generate content ideas. She set up automated workflows to distribute her best work across different platforms. She built a simple digital product based on her expertise and used an automated sales funnel to sell it. A year later, she works half the hours and earns 3 times as much. She didn't get a new degree or learn to type faster. She just stopped trading her time for money. Nadine's story isn't an anomaly. The people who are winning in this new economy aren't necessarily louder, smarter, or luckier. They're not the ones shouting on social media or the ones with genius-level IQs. They simply understand where the point of leverage has moved. They see that the new currency isn't just effort. It's the intelligence to design and operate systems that work for you. They are building engines while everyone else is still trying to run the race on foot. And that's the critical insight that most people are missing. They're still playing by the old rules, sharpening their skills for a game that's already over, wondering why their hard work isn't paying off like it used to. They see the tools, but they don't see the system. The AI wealth shift is not about robots taking jobs. That's the headline, the easy fear that grabs attention. But the real story, the one that matters for your future, is happening on a much deeper level. It's a fundamental change in the very nature of work and value creation. It's about who controls systems versus who sells time. For centuries, the default path was to trade your hours for a wage. Your time was the asset. But AI introduces a new form of leverage, one that multiplies your output without multiplying your hours. The new asset is the system you command. This isn't a new pattern. In every major wealth shift in history, the same dynamic plays out. During the industrial age, it wasn't the workers on the line who built fortunes. It was the factory owners who owned the system of production. During the internet age, it wasn't just the content creators, but the platform builders who captured immense value by creating the digital systems everyone else used. And now, in the AI age, it is the system operators who win. These are the individuals who don't just use AI tools, but orchestrate them into automated workflows that generate value on their behalf. So what does a system operator look like? Consider a solo creator. Instead of manually editing every video, writing every description, and scheduling every post, they build a system. An AI transcribes and creates initial edits. Another AI drafts descriptions and titles based on SEO analysis. A third schedules the content across 5 platforms, optimized for peak engagement times. The creator becomes the conductor, not the entire orchestra. Or think of a small marketing agency. Instead of hiring 10 junior analysts, the founder builds an AI system that automatically pulls data from client ad accounts, analyzes performance, generates weekly reports with insights, and even drafts outreach emails to new leads. The agency can now serve 3 times the clients with the same core team, dramatically increasing their profit margins. They aren't selling hours. They're selling the output of their proprietary system. This is the core of the shift. AI allows one person to do the work of a team, a small team to do the work of a department, or even an entire small business running on autopilot. And it happens quietly, behind the scenes. This isn't about building a massive corporation with a towering headquarters. It's about creating silent, efficient engines of value that work for you around the clock. There's no grand announcement. No permission required. You don't need a board of directors or a venture capitalist's blessing to start building your own systems. You just need the insight to see the opportunity and the will to begin. So why do most people miss this fundamental shift? Why do they remain on the sidelines while a few are building the future? It usually comes down to 3 powerful yet flawed modes of thinking. First, they're waiting for certainty. It's a deeply human impulse. We're wired to seek safety, to look for the well-lit path. We want a detailed manual, a step-by-step guide, and a money-back guarantee before we take the first step. They're looking for someone in a position of authority to give them permission to begin. They want instructions, guarantees, and step-by-step permission. But here's the counterpoint. In a paradigm shift, the map is drawn by the pioneers. The advantage lies precisely in moving certainty exists. If you wait for a guarantee, you've already guaranteed you're too late. The opportunity is in the ambiguity. The second reason is that they think AI and automation are too technical. The word AI conjures images of complex algorithms and PhDs in computer science. It feels inaccessible, like a private club for coders. This is a ghost of the past. It's a story we tell ourselves based on how technology to work. Because of this misconception, they never even explore how it applies to money and income. The counterpoint is simple. You don't need to know how an engine works to drive a car. The new generation of tools is built for operators, not just engineers. They are visual, intuitive, and designed to be connected like Lego blocks. Your job isn't to build the engine, it's to drive. And third, they stay stuck in labor thinking. This is the most insidious trap of all. From our first summer job, we are taught a simple equation. Time equals money. More hours, more dollars. This becomes our default setting for value creation. We think in terms of tasks to complete, hours to bill, and salaries to earn. They trade hours for dollars instead of building leverage. The counterpoint is to stop thinking like a laborer and start thinking like an owner. An owner doesn't ask, how many hours will this take? They ask, what system can I build to solve this problem forever? They trade their time not for dollars, but for assets. Automated systems that generate cash flow while they sleep. These 3 mindsets, the need for certainty, the fear of technology, and the habit of labor, create a powerful inertia. People wait, they hesitate, they rationalize. And by the time the shift becomes obvious to everyone, the train has already left the station. The advantage is already gone. People who understand the AI wealth shift are using AI to multiply their output building systems instead of chasing paychecks. Letting AI handle execution while they make decisions, they're not working harder. They're positioning earlier. And that's the quiet part no one talks about. You don't need to quit your job. You don't need to be technical. You don't need to chase hype. Your next step is simple. Start thinking like an operator, not just a worker. Ask yourself, how can AI help me scale what I already know? How can I turn skills into systems? How can I earn without being present every hour? This mindset shift is the doorway. The AI wealth shift isn't coming. It's already here. It's quiet. It's subtle. And it rewards those who pay attention early. If you want more videos breaking down how to position yourself in this new economy, make sure you subscribe. because the future of money won't wait.